Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I don't know what's coming next. So if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're, kind of just doing a trade recap or something like that, then this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a trader and how day trading can play out, I am confident you will find value in this video. So markets just opened up. I will go ahead and pause your software for now, and I'll keep an eye on it. And if I see a setup, I will get the software moving at that time. All right, going to go for call here at 51.50. So in at 51.50. I have a call at 51.50. And out for $50. I probably should have noted that I'm doing options. So if you have no idea what I mean by that or what a call is, in the comment section, just put guide, please, or option guide. And I will send you to a link to what's called the Big Basics of Options, completely free, but it'll walk you through the terminology, how things work from a basic standpoint. Options can be intimidating, they can be very advanced, but they don't have to be. There are ways that you can approach all this in a more simple way, and that's the approach that I take. I take the more so simplified approach. So if that, like I said, sounds like it could be of value to you because you're interested in not necessarily trading them, but at least learning more and expanding potential opportunities, then like I said, let me know, and I'll send you a link to that guide. So there you go, starting off the day with a nice little $50 sniper shot. We'll see what else I can find. If this thing wants to now come down below this area, I would be interested. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 43.10. Go to 41.10 now. Looking to play a call. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 41.70. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and change that out now. And I'm going to look for 42.40. So just doing a little bit of quick math in my head. So that puts us down around 38.10, I think, but that's subject to change. So 38.10. So we'll see if it can come down to that bluish line. I'll pause. Okay, I'm at 38.10. It's come down just a bit more. In at 38.10. And out for $90. I don't know what was at $90 in about 10 seconds. I will gladly take that, but I need to start the process over again. 34.70 next key level. So if this move wants to come down some more, I will be ready at 34.70. I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at $40 here for a put. Okay, I'm going to cancel that out. I don't like how it's just sitting right there. Has me a bit nervous. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 31.70. $30.10 is going to be more so the accurate level that I want. All right, I'll pause. Keep a close eye on it though. Have an order at 31.70 here for a call. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 27.50. In at 27.50 for a call. And in at 27.50. And out for $30. So it wasn't the greatest entry point. I actually wanted to try to go for some more, but it snapped back up too quickly. Now, honestly, wow, would have been fine in a big way. But I was only going for... So this is all hindsight trading, because I would not... That was not the design of the trade. So I can sit here and say how much... Oh, I would have... No, because that just wasn't the trade. But if this does want to continue down some more, I would be interested once again. So yeah, not a losing trade, but I wasn't going for what my target was, but it seemed as though it was not quite as good of an entry point as what I thought it was. Obviously, I was wrong because it snapped back up beautifully, but again, that's all with hindsight. So just $30 on that trade. I will pause. Okay, I have an order at 32.70. 32.10 looks more accurate. I will pause. I have an order at 30.10. Nope. Got to go to 29.10 now. All right, I will pause. I have an order at 31.20 for a put. I will go ahead and pause. Okay, I am in. I'm sorry, I missed the entry point. Got in at 27.70. So it took a $20 loss on that one, as way more of a move than what I thought. Again, in hindsight, would have been okay, but that's all just hindsight there. So made too much of a move, so went in loss control mode and had to take a $20 loss, but still green on the day. And if this thing wants to come up here to the 433.70-ish area, I would be interested once again. So, all right, losing trade on that one. Have an order at 31.50. Okay, let's go to 29.70 now. I suppose I'm probably a little gun shy after that one move went just absolutely bonkers against me. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. All right, gonna try for a put here at 46. Nope, never mind on that. I'm looking at other time frames and noticing something over there that I didn't like on the 5 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and pass on that one. So, as always, use multiple time frame analysis. I will pause. Okay, I have an order at 33.10. Just need another quick move to the downside. It was looking like for a second it might have happened, but then all of a sudden it turned back around, so I'll pause. I have an order at 35.10 for a call. In, out for $50. If you blinked, you missed it. Very, very fast mover. I mean, as fast as I could drag my cursor over to press sell, I was out. So that was literally $50 in a second, 2 seconds. I don't know. You can scroll back, but I need to stop talking. 31.50 now, next entry point. So if this wants to make another plunge to the downside, I'll be ready. But there you go. So that $20 loss that I took has now been wiped away, plus $30 in my pocket. So I will go ahead and pause. All right, going to try for 38.70 here. Oh, look, yep, too late on that one as it goes green. So never mind, I'm going to cancel that one out. Okay, I'll pause. Okay, going to try at 37.20 here for a call. I will pause for now. So that's going to wrap up the trades for today. So hit $200. Actually, I take that back because with commissions, slightly less than $200. And overall, a fine day. That one didn't quite work out. Had to take with the one I could only get $30 out of it, and then there's that other one where I had to take the $20 loss. But that's how sometimes days go. You're not going to always have perfect, flawless trades on every trade you make. So you just got to manage risk, survive, and then ultimately, give yourself a chance to get those losses back. And when you're taking $20 losses, it doesn't exactly take being a superhero to recuperate those losses. So I'm not trying to make it sound like I did something impressive today by overcoming that $20 loss. But just saying in general, that's why you do want to focus on risk management. Keep those losses small so that you don't have to find yourself needing to trade like Superman to get things back. So if you enjoy these live trade videos, if you enjoy the transparency of just showing the nitty gritty look into trading, again, hit that like button, leave a comment below. And also, if you do want to learn more about the options, then like I said at the beginning of the video, just let me know by putting options guide and I will gladly link you to that free class. So thanks for hanging out. Take care. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.